Hello, art heads. Welcome to my channel. This is Zuri, and welcome to ZK Art Express. So today's art lesson, is going to be on how to draw a teddy bear. So yes, just how to draw a simple teddy bear. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that today. So before we get started, of course, I'm going to show you what type of supplies that I'm going to be using. So regular just drawing pencil, eraser. If I show this in every last one, a single one of my videos, so y'all should by know what type of supplies I got going on. Pencil sharpener, of course, just to sharpen my pencil. And then, of course, the medium I'm going to be using to color this teddy bear today is going to be color markers. And the color markers I'm going to be using, no more and less, is going to be the Posh color markers, okay? So I'm going to be using that. So I'm using this size. I got this size right here. So this is going to be mostly for my like line work, if I do the line work. You can see the size, okay, which is right there compared to this, okay? And then also I have them in a bigger tip as well too. All right, so I'll probably be using it because these ones don't have brown in them. And I'm going to be using brown to try to color him today. Well, of course, that's my main color to color the teddy bear. So I'm probably going to be using mostly these bigger ones right here. All right, so that is the supplies. And then, of course, a 9x12 just regular drawing pad that I'm using today. All right, and of course, good old drawing skills and imagination. All right, so first thing first is, like I said, gonna be drawing a teddy bear, and then how I'm going to do that, I'm going to break it down into four phases of me drawing this particular type of teddy bear. And that's just to be able to kind of show you how I drew the teddy bear from start to finish. Now, like I said, and I'm pretty much at a sound like a broken record at this point. In all my videos, I always say that with any type of item or subject that you draw, it is always mainly broken down into, well, not mainly, it's broken down ultimately to basic shapes at the end of the day. So you use those basic shapes first to get the subject in, and then you build around it. All right, our heads. So I'm coming in right quick and speeding this video up and coming in with the voice over to show you all how I draw in this teddy bear. So first I'm going to break this drawing down into four all steps. And the first step is in this process, I'm going to start drawing in a circle here. I want to draw in two circles. I'm going to have one circle small that's going to represent his head, and then the bigger circle here is going to represent his body area. This is going to basically help at the core of building up the shape. All complex shapes at its core are broken down to basic shapes. So we're using it today to represent those body parts. Now in step two, we're going to basically repeat what we did in step one, but we're going to add some couple of things, right? Now, one thing I want to also point out as well too, you see I draw in a T or a cross. This is what helps me to stay proportion, okay, to kind of help me to draw proportionally. So this is a great hack to be able to have if you somebody like me to kind of have a hard time with drawing proportions, and keeping everything in alignment. All right. So anyway, we're drawing in the circles here to represent the body and the head, and then we're going to add in on step two the eyes, and then we're going to add in also the nose, and then we're going to add in the mouth area inside of the circle that's at the top here. All right, and so in step 3, basically we're going to repeat what we did in step 1 and in step 2. So we're drawing in the circle here to represent the head, the bigger circle down here that's going to represent his body area. And then, of course, we're going to go in and add in his eyes. We're going to add in his nose. And then we're going to also add in the mouth area inside of the circle area here. And then in this third step, what we're going to do is add in his ears, his arms, and his feet. So let's draw that in here. And again, keep the shapes very, very simple. As the arms here, I'm using just little basic like cylinders here. And then for his feet, I'm just using some regular ovals to represent his feet area. So again, keeping it simple and straight to the point. All right, so we're at the final portion here where we're finna get ready to draw everything up and color it up. So I'm gonna make this one a little bit more bigger. I usually draw everything on one tablet, what piece of paper, but I'm going to draw it on just one pad here. And also, you probably noticed as well that the camera kind of cut off in a whole different scenery here. So yeah, so I'm just going to record this part here where I'm coloring it and doing the final put all together drawing. All right, so let's. All right, so that is the teddy bear colored in. So I added a little bit, like I said, of brown, a little bit of yellow, worked with it, outlined it with some red and some black. So I'm really loving these partial markers. I think they're very quick and straight to the point without pulling out my paint and water and brushes and all that type of stuff and getting everything in everywhere. So anyway, but I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did drawing this teddy bear and coloring it. Comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right, ta-ta.